Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Coinbase wallet, updated. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app and choose Create a New Wallet. Carefully write down the recovery phrase on paper and store it offline where only you can access it. Pick a strong password, enable biometric unlock if available, and verify your email address to complete initial setup and security steps. In this video, I will explain how to set up a Coinbase wallet, updated. After initial setup, secure your wallet by storing the recovery phrase offline and never sharing it. Turn on biometric unlock and a strong password, and verify device security settings. For larger holdings, consider moving funds to a hardware wallet or cold storage. Regularly review authorized devices and revoke access if you notice unfamiliar activity. In this video, I will help you set up a Coinbase wallet, updated. Begin by linking your preferred funding source, then copy your wallet address and send a small test amount to confirm everything works. Check that you choose the correct network for the token you send to avoid permanent loss. Monitor gas fees, review transaction details before confirming, and learn how to receive, send, and view transaction history securely within the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.